Hello my dear students, welcome to the next video of Industrial Resources of India. Transport and machines are also important factors necessary for the setup of an industry. Transport facilities include vehicles such as trucks, trains, ships, aeroplanes, which carry raw materials to the factory and finished goods to the market and are essential for the development of industries. The means of transportation help in the development of industries. The next is the machines. Machines are also an important part of an industry. You cannot think of an industry without machines. In a manufacturing process, simple and complex machines are used to complete production. Now we will discuss about the important industries of India. The first is the textile industry. Our country is one of the biggest manufacturers of cotton textiles. In India, there are more than 2000 cotton textile mills. The textile sectors includes cotton, silk and woolen items. In this industry, fiber is converted into yarn and yarn into fabric. These are dyed and printed, and from that different types of clothing and household items like shirts, bed sheet, towels, sarees, etc. are made. The textile industry is concerned with the design, production and distribution of yarn, cloth and clothing. The raw material may be natural or synthetic using products. Cotton textile mills are located in Kanpur, Ahmedabad, Mumbai and Kolkata. Important centers of silk textile mills are in Surat, Varanasi, Mysore and Bangalore. Woolen textile mills are located in Amritsar, Panipat, Ludhiana and Srinagar. Iron and steel industry is the backbone of all other industries. It is the basic industry as all other industries depend on it for their machinery. Means all the machinery is made up of iron and steel. Iron and steel plants are located at places where coal and iron ore are easily available. Main centers of iron and steel are at Bhilai, Durgapur, Salem and Jamshedpur. Jute industry. India is the largest producer of raw jute and jute goods in the world. It is the second largest exporter of jute after Bangladesh. Most of the jute mills in India are located in West Bengal, mainly along the bank of Hooghly. Main centers of jute industry are at Titagarh, Havda, Rishra and Bajbaj. Sugar industry. India is the second largest producer of sugar in the world. It is the largest producer of gur and khandasari. There are over 460 sugar mills in the country. They are spread over Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Maharashtra, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, Gujarat, Punjab, Haryana and Madhya Pradesh. 60% of the mills are in UP and Bihar. Sugarcane is the main raw material for sugar industry. Information technology and electronics industry. The information technology includes software development, software management, online services and business process outsourcing, that is the BPO. The short form of information technology is the IT. Now what do you mean by software, children? Means the computer programs. The electronic industry covers a wide range of products from transistor, televisions, telephone, papers, telephone exchange, computers, and many other equipments required by the telecommunication industry. Now, both these industries provide jobs to the people, and Bangalore is called the Silicon Valley of India because many important IT companies like the Infosys, Wipro have their head office in Bangalore. Main centers of electronic industry are in Delhi, Pune, Chennai, and Mumbai. Shipbuilding industry. Shipbuilding means the construction of ships and other floating vessels like the boats and the military ships. The ships are built at the shipyard. The first shipbuilding factory of India was established at Vishakhapatnam. The important shipbuilding industry centers are at Kochi, Marmagaon, Mumbai, and Kolkata. Aircraft industry. The aircraft industry deals with building of aeroplanes, helicopters, and manufacturing aircraft parts that are needed for the maintenance of the aeroplanes. Aircraft manufacturing units are located at Lucknow, Nasik, Hyderabad, and Bangalore. Railway industry. India is the fourth largest railway system in the world. The goods trains carry the raw materials from one part of the country to other part of the country, and in turn they bring back the finished goods from one part of the country to the other part. Railway presently uses diesel and electric engines. Manufacturing units of railway industry are at Kapurthala, Chittaranjan, Kolkata, Varanasi, and Jamshedpur. Importance of industries. It helps in modernizing agriculture. Agriculture requires improved machinery, chemical fertilizers, and pesticides. It also requires storage and transport facilities. All these are provided by our industries. Industries also provided jobs to many people of our country. Helpful in exploitation of resources. Many natural resources are exploited because of the industries, and it also has improved the financial condition of our country. I hope you have understood the chapter of industry. Thank you.